love it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name's Lacey, and today we are playing with new eyebrow stuff, if you guys cannot tell by the title of this video. So, looking at my eyebrows right now, you probably can't tell it, but we got some new stuff to put in some bad boys. Kat Von D stuff, to be exact. Kat Von D recently launched a new line of eyebrow stuff, and I have picked up multiple. And you guys just gotta keep watching this video to figure out why they are so hyped up and so fantastic. Because, I mean, it's just brow products, Lacey. Why is it so cool? Because this isn't just no ordinary brow products. Okay. So if you guys want to know why I'm so excited about this and how this turned out, make sure you just keep watching this video. And if you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It would be much appreciated. And make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump on into this video. I was so excited when I heard about these, and I heard about this a while back. So I got super excited, and then I didn't even know when they were launching, but come to find out they were launched. So I had to go and pick some up. So I got a couple products here. I got the Kat Von D. This is Kat Von D. Everything is by Kat Von D. And I got some of the 24-hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomades. I got 2 of them. And then I also got the Signature Brow Precision Pencil. So I've already used this, I won't even lie, because I got this first. I was just originally going to get this, but I could not resist getting these. So I'm going to tell you right now, I love this. Like, I honestly think I might like it a little more than my ABH Brow Wiz. And if you guys have been a long-time subscriber, you know that I am obsessed with ABH's Brow Wiz. I actually have like 4 that are unopened, unused, that I got while they were on sale to stock up. So the reason for these pomades being such a big deal to me is because it's not normal. So as you guys know, I know it's probably kind of hard to tell, like right now it's looking a little, hello, thank you, it's looking a little more brown toned than it is red, but my hair is, I dyed it red, and it's more of like a burgundy red than it is like an actual red. And I've always wanted to have like a brow anything I don't care if it's a pencil, a marker, a pomade, a brow gel. I just wanted something that could give me something more realistic to match my hair. So Kat Von D came out with brow pomades in multiple colors, and they are not normal colors. Like, look, I got the color Scarlet, which is red, and then I also got the color Medium Brown, which is kind of like my normal everyday colors to get. So let me give you some little whatever info. Let me give you some information. My boy looks so cute right now, sleeping behind me. He's just looking at me like, Mom, shut up. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I have this beautiful makeup done. I used my new the Sahara Blush Volume 1 and Volume 2 by Juvia's Place. I literally have like everything at Juvia's Place that has ever been made but 2 palettes, and that is the Nubian 1 and the Nubian 2 because they're basic. By the way, if you guys want a tutorial on this look, let me know and I'd be happy to film it for you. Definitely cute. A lot of blending, let me tell you something. The pomade, I'm waiting for it to come up right here. It is $19 at Sephora, and it is Sephora exclusive, and it comes in, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 shades. It has, let me see if you guys can see this. So they have like a super bright yellow, red, blue, green, purple, pink, and a auburn deep plum color. And then they got the normal colors from multiple browns to black to pure white. They have a pure white one. Kat Von D is so innovative. Also, the signature brow pencil, precision pencil, only comes in the normal colors, and I've got the color dark brown, which is kind of backwards for me. Usually I would get dark brown in this and medium brown in this, but don't know why I did. Which I am actually going to pick up a couple more. The brow pencil is $20, and then like I said, this is $19. So, you know, I don't think it looks bad to just have brown brows and then red hair. Like, that doesn't bother me because my hair is not something crazy, and I don't think this would be an everyday kind of product for me. I don't think I would use it as much as just doing normal brows. And I love my Ka-Brow by Benefit. I love my ABH Dip Brow Pomade, and I also love the Makeup Revolution Bulletproof Brow Pomade. Let me spit that out. So most of you have probably seen my brow tutorial, and I probably need to do an updated one because I changed my brow routine a lot. But I'm gonna first start with the signature brow pencil, and it comes with a spoolie on one end, and this spoolie is supposed to be like break proof. Like, you're not supposed to be able to break this, which would be great because I know some people go ham. And then also the cool thing about this is most precision pencils are, so if you look at it, it's like a rounded tip. And then if you look at this one, the Kat Von D one, it is flat. And I thought this was going to be a problem at first, but it's not. It's definitely not an issue. So I really thought that that was going to be an issue, how flat it was. And I will say that there isn't a lot of product in here, but for $20, it's just, since it is so thin, it just seems like a lot less product than what would be in the ABH one. Okay, so the net weight of this is 0.065 grams. So just so you guys have like a good idea, there is 0.085 grams in this, or the Brow Wiz, and then in the IT Brow Power pencil there is, oh wow, there's quite a bit more in this. There's 0.16 grams in the IT Brow Power pencil. So like I said, I have used this, and this is dark brown, but actually the color is really nice because I usually like a soft brown or a medium brown pencil for like filling in right here. I like this part to be lighter than the outside, and then I like to go in with like a real deep shade, almost too dark probably, for my tail. So this is how I use this product. I start in the front just like I do with any type of brow, anything, with light strokes. I just draw underneath my brow. And I really find that this being flat helps so much with this part. And then I like to just push out some product, like just a little bit. And I like to take it, kind of turn it on its side, and just flick up with light pressure. Just a little bit of light pressure to really get those hair-like strokes in the front. And then taking my spoolie and just combing through the front of my brow lightly. Okay, so I literally just use a pencil to pretty much draw my eyebrows in the shape I want. Sisters, not twins, frenemies, not besties, you know, it's fun. This is Scarlet, and this one is medium brown. And this packaging is so cute. There's little skulls on it. Look how cute this is. As for most brow pomades, this is what the standard packaging looks like. And then also my Revolution, Makeup Revolution one. They all pretty standard. So you open it up, and the only thing that is different is like it sits on top rather than in the pot, like the ABH one. Like it's literally filled to the rim. Well, I can't find my normal eyebrow brush, so I'm just gonna use this little one because I have a million of these in all sizes, but this one is so thin and so precise, so I'd much rather use it. Like if you guys can see how thin that is. I'm gonna take this other Morphe eyeliner brush, and this is the M225, and I'm gonna take a tiny bit of this red. Ooh, that's like super soft. So I'm just literally taking my brush and just rubbing it across there. And I'm getting quite a bit of pigment. And I'm just gonna put that on the back of my hand. And I just want the littlest bit because I don't want my eyebrows to be super red. And I'm taking more of the brown than I did the red. And I'm just adding it into the red. And I'm just gonna make a mixture with this until I'm happy. Okay, so this is the color I have come up with. I feel like I need a darker color to throw in there, but we're just gonna go with this. I'm gonna start by filling in the tail of my eyebrow. And then I'm gonna just take a spoolie and comb through the front. Okay, this like is like cement for your eyebrows. No brow glue or no brow gel needed. And this is all dry on my hands. What I want to do now is I'm just gonna try to play with this just a little bit and tweak it and do my other eyebrow, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the outcome of what I can do with this. I feel like it looks okay, but I feel like you really can't tell that I have a whole lot of red in there. Maybe because my eyebrows are already naturally pretty dark. Like you can kind of tell there's an accent of red, which I'm not mad about. It does not look bad at all to me. But then again, like, it's not how I wanted it to look. Like, I kind of wanted it to be more like my hair and not just like brown and red tones all the way through it. I will give this a B because I'm going to take points away only because I feel like the payoff was very good. I feel like the colors are really nice, but I think it's more of like expectation versus reality that is making it lose points with me, because I don't know, I just feel like, yeah, I don't know how I feel about it right this minute. I wish that the red showed through a little bit. Whoa! So I think it's just because like the red's not showing through as much as I'd like, but then again, like I'm looking at this and it's like it kind of matches. I feel like this is a product I'm going to have to play more with. I wasn't able to carve out my brows because obviously I have already did my makeup also, which I had fucked up. So, well, overall, I'm not mad at this. I'm not completely blown away, but I will give it good points because the formula is nice. I will say even better. Like, I don't know if this makes me happy or it is kind of odd to me, but this is like, seriously, like I said before, it's like cement for your eyebrows. It's definitely interesting, and I love the idea, and I love the way that she is going with this. Like, I really wish that other people or other brands would make brow products that suit every hair color, because face it, like, people have to use eyeshadows a lot. It's nice to have things that suit people with crazy hair, because let's face it, we all express ourselves in different ways, and a lot of people do it through their hair. But that's all I got for you guys today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. And make sure if you haven't already, you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It'd be much appreciated. And if you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, make sure you go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know. Because I'm definitely feeling this. It looks so pretty. So pretty. But with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!